Most of your MIDI tracks sound flat because your velocities are boring. Here's how to fix that in seconds, without touching a single note. Ableton Live 12 has a tool called Velocity Shaper. It doesn't change pitch, it doesn't move notes around, it just shapes velocity, and it does it better than manual editing ever could. You draw a shape, and that shape controls how loud or soft each note is. It applies across your whole selection, giving you dynamic movement instantly. Want your hi-hats to groove harder? Add a looped velocity curve and rotate it. Want more human feel in your piano part? Set a minimum and maximum velocity range, then draw a rising-falling envelope. Want to trigger different articulations in your sampler? Adjust the curve to hit the exact thresholds where your instrument changes tone. Instead of spending 20 minutes clicking each velocity bar like it's 2003, you spend 20 seconds drawing one shape. It's fast, it's musical, and it makes your MIDI feel like a performance, not a sequence. If your beats sound lifeless, this is probably why. Want more free Ableton tools and walkthroughs? Comment Ableton and we'll DM you the link.